Hello, today I said I'm going to show you how to check which version of the .NET framework is installed. Knowing your .NET framework version is important for running apps that depend on specific versions. While Windows doesn't show this directly in the interface, let's get started. Click the search icon on the taskbar, type File Explorer, then select the best match to open it. In File Explorer, click on this PC on the left panel. Double-click the Windows installation drive, usually the C drive with a Windows icon. Next, double-click the Windows folder. Scroll down and locate the Microsoft.NET folder, then double-click to open it. Inside Microsoft.NET, double-click the framework folder. You will see several version folders. Open the folder with the highest version number. Right-click on the file named accessibility.dll. Select Properties, then go to the Details tab. You'll see the file version, which shows the installed .NET version. That's it. You've now checked the latest installed .NET Framework version on your system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.